birds flock together in a hidden dream. Tourists stroll, they never see the secret dance between bird and tree. Feathers on the creek, oh what a sight. In the morning glow and the fading light. Seeds on the ground, wings in the air. A quiet tradition, a bond so rare. Locals come in the hush of dawn, quietly joining this age-old song. With crumbs and grain, they softly speak to the birds of dawn on Dubai Creek. Feathers